Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me. And on a Saturday at the beginning of the month, that must mean it's time for cards in the mail. And I've got loads in this box. So this one turned up today. This is lovely Valerie on my team up in Scotland. And she'd cashed in some vouchers and put them all, a huge amount of vouchers actually, to be fair. And she'd put it in an envelope that Fauna thought was for her. I was out at the time, but we have a Ring doorbell, and I sent a message to Luke and I said, can you quickly retrieve the post? And he did. He retrieved Fauna's parcel because she stole it. Isn't that gorgeous? So this is the new stamp set, and it's all new colours. I love it. Absolutely love it. Thank you, Valerie. And then, oh, I've got some in here. So I showed you the other week all of the gifts and goodies that I'd had from my team at our team event, but I managed to forget two because they were still in my suitcase. So this is the lovely Karen Tilly, and in here is a beautiful candle, and she knows that cherry cobbler is my favourite colour. Actually, everybody knows that because there was a quiz, and one of the questions was what's Sam's favourite colour. So look at that black cherry in there. I love it. Thank you, Karen. And a beautiful matching card. How lovely. And look, can you see the stamp set? It's mine. Get it while you can. And then this is a birthday card from lovely Kay. How stunning is that? And she's all about the punches, and I don't know if you can see what she's done with the paper punch. She's punched it and then she's twisted it. Beautiful. So thank you, girls. So yeah, I forgot to include them because they were in my suitcase. Right. Do you think my team knows that I like rainbows? I think they do. So this one is Pat James. She sent this one, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's a Jill Chapman card. Paper Daisy Crafting. You can see her stuff a mile off. She's just got such fabulous style. And Pat, I love it. I love the fact that they've done rainbows for me. They're so good. Right, so this one is Donna on my team, Taffy Crafting. She made this beautiful, and she did one of the make and take projects for us. So go and check out her blog and her YouTube, because I'm pretty sure her tutorial's on there. And then this is from the lovely Grace. So Grace was my winner. I've got a sneeze coming. She was my winner from my big giveaway where I gave away £250 product spend, you know, a shopping spree with me, and Grace won, and she sent me this card, and it was, what a fantastic surprise. I'm over the moon. Keep up your great work. You are so inspiring. So that was really sweet. So thank you, Grace. Beautiful, beautiful card. I actually think you need to join my team now. Okay, and I've got, right, I've got all sorts of goodies here that are from Glinis, who, she sent me this big, huge parcel, and in it, well, it was addressed to Jack Pootles, and I thought, who that's for? That's strange, because my oldest son is called Jack. And so he, you know, I waited till he got home from work, and we opened it up, and in it were all of these sketchbooks and watercolour notebooks, you know, big ones for him, and she sent them for him. And then included in it some goodies. So it was around Easter time. And oh, I'm getting text messages now. So look at, I don't know if you can see, these are little Easter eggs, which are just adorable. And I'm pretty sure there's eggs in there. Shall I peel one open and then tell my children I haven't opened it? Shall I peel at the bottom? I'm going to try and do this without cutting myself. I'm going to have to cut, aren't I? I don't want to trash it, but how clever to do that and to get the shape like that. Oh, ow, oof. I did it. Okay, I'm going to go in with a cut at the bottom because that, I'm not getting in that way. And it is, oh, okay, it's yummy little chocolates, bunny chocolates. How cute is that? So, oh, hello, Sorrel. No, we don't need your help. So those, and then these have got little yummy sweeties and treats and goodies and stuff inside as well. Oh, no, excuse me, kitty cat. Thank you. Beautiful card, and I love the lacing. That's just fabulous. And then finally, and I did peel it open and then I wanted to keep it protected. I have to keep that finger out of the way so I don't... Hang on. Hold, please. Because it is now bleeding. Washi tape it. And then look at this. When it rains, look for rainbows. When it's dark, look for stars. And it's a traveller's notebook, because you can change these out. Just incredible. And then little bits I can add. But yeah, 3 traveller's notebooks in there. And just, oh, amazing. Just incredible. So thank you so much from me and Jack, Glinis. But obviously, I had told you anyway because we've been chatting. Right, what else have I got? I've got some, I think I've already showed these. Pretty sure I already have. So this was Sally from my team cashing in some vouchers. And this was full. And yeah, she gave them to me at our team event. So, but I think I might have shown that. But that's really cute. But then I have this. So this is Jenny, who sends me goodies for the boys. And it was a little box. There were 6 of them that arrived about a week or so before Easter. And yeah, the boys all had one of these on their place on Easter Sunday. It was lovely. Full of little chocolate eggs. So thank you, Jenny. So I kept mine. Okay. I've got some bits here. And these are from Linda. Lovely Linda, who was cashing in some vouchers. And she'd popped them all in there. She's made a shadow box. Can you see that? Little shadow box with Velcro dots. And then she's got me some beautiful rainbow ribbon and rainbow tape. You see, I ought to do my finger with that, shouldn't I? And rainbow tape. And it's just stunning. It's so beautiful. So Linda, thank you very much. I'm going to have to go that way. Okay. And then I've got a couple of cards here. So this one is Leah, who stocked up on a lot of white cardstock. And Vicky, lovely Vicky Littlewood. Vicky, your patience is incredible. Those are all individual bits. She's done a mosaic. That's amazing. And I'm pretty sure Leah's daughter had a hand in making this one. And, oh, look, I've got another one of these Sending Smiles cards. Who's this one for? This is from Angelique on my team, who is over in the Netherlands. How funny that they use the same colour for the words and the flowers. How funny. So that's, and put the scattering as well. So this is Valerie and this is Angelique. That's too funny. Clever girls. Right. Knew I've got it. I forgot to take this on my team event. So this is the lovely Fatima who sent me this from Germany. And this arrived as I was designing. I was getting ready to design projects for my team. I'd designed some and I was still struggling for one. And I just thought that was lovely. Put that washi back on. Absolutely gorgeous. So I modified it and I made an A7 version. You have seen the tutorial for that, but this is gorgeous, and this was the inspiration that I came up with. So the measurements of this one are, so that's 14 centimeters by 7 and a bit, which in inches is 5.5 by 3. So if I see, it's a little bit smaller than a standard size card, just a little bit, but it's definitely narrower. So it's just a tiny bit shorter, but narrower. But I loved it. I was so inspired, but I couldn't find it to take to my team event or bring it onto my video. So I'm glad at least I know where it is now. Okay, I've got some more now. This is from Ashley on my team. And she cashed in some vouchers. That was really cute. And who are these ones from? Nicola. Oh, I haven't had a card from Nicola in a while, so it's lovely to have it. Love the little twist of the gold ribbon. That's really pretty. Oh, look, that's more washi, please. Oh, it's because I'm at the end of the roll. That's why it's not sticking. Hang on. I've got my Rachel Rainbow stuff. I call it Rachel Rainbow because lovely Rachel Burkett sent it to me. There we go. So this is Nicola. Yeah, I love the twist there and those teeny tiny little dots. Do you know what? Some of the simplest cards are the prettiest. So, oh, the person who's ringing me right now sent all of these. She's gonna giggle when she sees this video tomorrow. Right, I've got one more here, and this has come all the way from our head office in Riverton, and it's from the lovely Karen who heads up the recognition team, and she sent me my own stamp set, which is really sweet, and then a really lovely note inside inside the card. And you know, I do obviously, I have a version of this that is well loved. It's all pink, it's not, but I call them clean copies, so unused, of this in all 3 languages. And now I have another one. Oh, I have to tell you, my team was so funny at our event. A bunch of them had brought their stamp set and said, Sam, can you sign it? I felt a bit of a wally because, you know, it's just me, but I did sign. And so I had those, and then, yeah, the last are just, yeah, they're just Mother's Day cards from my family, from my children and my husband. Totally tickled by the one that says Hot Mama. Thought that might make you smile too. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.